Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. It's like an old fort.
Tell everybody hello. There's Boo Boo.
It's kind of cool.
Please do not feed the squirrels.
They get enough food from the. Well, should we head this way first?
That's a restaurant and gift shop down there.
Okay.
Right. We can walk down there though. Might see something. Look, we got.
So here's a map. Okay. We are here. Or Hotter Mountain is that way.
Yeah, we'll do it. And Jaguar. Got stuff hanging from the tree.
I don't.
I know. Must be to feed something.
There.
Yeah.
She has the power to go where no one else can find me, and to silently remind me of the happiness and good times that I know.
So I guess you can come in and walk first, and then take the drive thing.
Got to say how she thinks or where she's been.
Well, supposedly there's supposed to be some jaguars and otters down this way. So I'll get back with you when we got something.
Oh, look at that, isn't that cool? There you go.
About to be bear food.
And there they have a gift shop. So, well, let's go wander some more. That is kind of cool. That's kind of cool too. The cart. It's all metal. Got your Google shirt. Is there? Mine shaft entrance, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He's a fat boy too.
Yeah. That's like E. That's a she.
Hmm?
That's a she.
Oh, it's a Gila monster.
Yep, it's a she.
This damn dang thing right in the way. Oh, there it is. Over there. Tucked in that hole right there. See it?
Oh, there he is. He's coming out. Oh, here he comes.
Huh.
Here's a tiger salamander. Oh, look at his pretty.
Cool, huh?
Yeah. Do you see this one?
Yep. Chippewa.
Chuckwalla.
And those are all over in Palm Desert.
Oh, what's in here? I can't see. Don't. Oh.
This is my
Nothing in here.
tarantula.
Oh. Can you see him?
No.
It's pretty dark. Probably in that cave. Nope, the cave's empty. Oh, wait. I see his legs. I see his legs, Brian.
See his legs?
I think. No, that's a plant. I thought that was a tarantula. It's a
He's
plant.
probably underneath the that.
I looked. I zoomed in. Nothing. Nope.
Oh, no.
Don't see him.
This is empty.
Yeah. Under construction.
Please bear with us.
Yep.
Hey. They're like quaddies. Almost like quaddies.
Yep. I'm gonna turn and look at you.
What's up, mister? Bandit? Banditos. Why's that gimbal all like that?
I don't. When it does, I usually turn it off and start over. How cool.
Yeah, that's a big boy. Look at
Hey,
his
buddy.
claws. Look at his claws.
Yep. He's not playing.
He's looking for a way out. Oh, bobcats are over here.
Oh, look. Right there.
Sleeping.
No, right there.
Oh yeah, he's eating something.
Too pretty.
Not too small.
Pretty.
Enclosure.
No, here, look, there's one right there.
Yep.
Gosh, they're so pretty.
I like the little tails
Yeah.
and the white thing on the ears.
Go in the cave. That is cool.
Good little boy.
Yep.
Oh, Ricky's out.
There's two.
baby one.
Oh, I didn't see it. Hmm. That's probably why she's in here. Oh, this is for seeing the grizzly. There he is right there. Different view windows. Yep. Looks like he's got nylons on. Yeah. Yep. I can see his ears.
He's taking a siesta.
Yep.
Oh, there's one over there too.
Yep. So 4.
Hey, buddy. What you doing? You tired?
Yep.
I'm tired. I'll just take a snooze.
And that one.
You
Hiding.
had 4 snoozing.
Yep. Cool. Moving pretty quick. They're fast. Man, look at him throwing dirt on his back. Look at his stripe. Huh, that's funny. That one's over there throwing dirt.
Yeah. כל מה שהם חופרים איתם, כל מה שהם חופרים משתמשים בהם השואלים הזה, כי הם חופרים ממש טוב. Beaver and porcupine.
היה מסוג ביזון שמיים. בעלת 6 רגליים, זנב של
בוא נחזור ליענוע.
Didn't see the jag. Didn't see the check.
The jaguar, we went that way instead of coming this way. לא ראינו את הבובקה. You throw cigarettes and beer at them. Special diet.
Yeah. What is that? Porcupine.
You got a hurt leg.
Probably stepped on one of his own quills.
Well, that's probably why he's here. Rescue animals.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes.